Ever wondered why London is surprisingly mild in winter, while places at the same latitude, like parts of Canada, are frozen solid? The secret isn't just in the air, but deep in the ocean. Meet the planet's massive climate engine, ocean currents. Think of them as giant conveyor belts, constantly moving huge amounts of warm and cold water around the globe. This isn't just a gentle sloshing. It's a powerful system that dictates weather patterns for entire continents. For instance, the Gulf Stream carries warm water from the tropics all the way to northern Europe, acting like a massive hot water bottle and keeping its winters much warmer than they should be. It's this incredible dance of water that shapes our world's climate, from monsoons in Asia to droughts in Africa. Isn't that amazing? If you're curious to learn more about our incredible planet, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.